Hello everyone! Today with Infinite Sky Foreign Language Academy, we are going to unlock a pattern that will make German verbs super easy. So, welcome to German Verb Conjugation. Verb conjugation simply means changing the verb form depending on who is doing the action. In German, this change is very systematic. Once you learn it, everything becomes easier. Wait, take a moment. Look carefully. What do you notice? Yes, they all end with en. Every German verb has a stem, which is called as Stamm in German. If we remove en from the infinitive, we will get this stem. And this is our base. Everything starts from here. In German, we don't change the whole verb. We just take the stem and add new endings. That's it. Simple and logical. Remember our personal pronouns? So each personal pronoun has its own ending, and that's where conjugation happens. These are your core endings. For ish, it is e. For do, it is st. For rcs, it is t. For wear, it is en. For ear, it is again t. And for gross c, it is again en. Just remember this table and you can conjugate most German verbs. Let's apply and check. Take the stem len and add the new endings, and your verb is ready. Ich lerne, du lernst, lernt, wir lernen, ihr lernt, sie lernen. No surprises, no changes. This is why they are called regular verbs. Here are some example sentences. Ich spiele Fußball. Du lernst Deutsch. Wir machen Hausaufgaben. Sie wohnen in Delhi. Kauft ein Auto. Once you know the pattern, you can conjugate hundreds of verbs instantly. Just choose the correct form based on the subject and place the verb in the second position in a sentence. So here is our golden rule. Remove en, find the stem and add the right endings. If this made things clearer for you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe for more. In the next video, we will explore what happens when this pattern changes. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.